What is up, you guys? So we are going to be going boxing. I brought Nate with me.
That's right. You jab harder than some of my dude clients.
Oh, really?
They have to stop.
Hi,
Hey,
Joe.
Yeah, that's me.
How you doing?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
What gym are you at? You said you that
Club
one that's
Studio.
like Club Fitness or something?
Club Studio, yeah.
Club Studio?
Yeah.
So is it like there's a bunch of little boutiques all in like a circle kind of? Like
Yeah.
you can go to Pilates, yoga, boxing?
Yeah.
That's how it is? Yeah. That's cool. So they do like conditioning classes like these, like the bag classes?
A little bit. Not so freestyle like that. There's usually just like
On the bag?
on the bag mostly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's doing a warm-up.
He just got wrapped.
Which one do you want? Which one do you think like that?
I'll take these ones.
Pink?
Yes. All right. So,
This direction. Your warm up?
Yeah.
You'll be fine. Yeah. So we're not gonna go. You're not gonna pull anything.
perfect.
You're young. You'll survive. Yep. You're gonna look at the graffiti.
Okay.
So we're gonna look at the graffiti and we're gonna be shoulder width. We're gonna point our toes towards that wall. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So now, you're actually gonna be striking me. So, but still look at the wall. Toes are gonna be pointing towards the wall. Okay. Now we're gonna work on our stance right now. This first one is gonna be at 45 degrees right here. This back one is gonna take a baby step towards the stick right there. Okay, that's your exact alignment. A little bit more this way with that foot, and now back a little bit. That's your exact alignment when you box. A lot of boxing coaches aren't gonna tell you this, but you should have a perfect heel to toe alignment. Your feet should be staggered. That's gonna give you leverage and balance, right? So when you're boxing, you don't wanna be boxing like this with your foot behind your front foot, and you don't wanna be squared up. This is how a lot of people box when they're new. They have a static stance, they're kind of square. So they're going like this. We don't want that. We want to have your shoulder pointed at your opponent, right? So this shoulder, you wanna be very narrow. Reason we're narrow is we're a smaller target to hit, right? And when we're narrow and we're like this, we have more range of motion. We have more rotation. This shoulder back here, rotating all the way around, is gonna give you maximum power, okay? So we have this backhand back here, boom, it's coming all the way across here, okay?
Got it.
So heel to toe alignment. You're gonna have about, when you're in your stance, you're gonna have about 60 to 40 or 55% of your weight on your back foot and 45 on your front. So you should be low riding a little bit. This should be bent a little bit, your back knee like this. So and it feels kind of weird. It feels like you're kind of putting your weight this way, but that's gonna give you maximum drive because your leverage is gonna come up through here and out your arm this way, okay? You don't wanna be front foot heavy. Because if we're front foot heavy, it's taking a lot of our power away. When we're back here, boom, we're able to push out, okay?
Got it.
All right, and then this is gonna be covering your chin. This one is gonna be like this in front of your chin about 10 inches, just like this. So that's and then relax your shoulders. Try to relax this, okay. Boom. And the reason why our hands are like this is if I'm throwing a straight two, you're already blocking it. You're blocking your chin. And if I'm hooking, boom, you're blocking it right there. You just keep it right here, boom. Okay? So our hands are at home. They call that at home. We're in a reset position. So we say reset, you're like this, right? So you're already here to block this one and this front one, but then we're also in a good position for our punches. Okay.
Got it.
So first punch, and then you've done pad work a few times, right?
Yeah.
Okay, did they go by number system with you?
I know the numbers.
Okay,
Yeah.
So 1 and 2.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
There you go. And we're gonna be cooking. All right, good. This is a little bit out front, a little bit. Okay. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. Good. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. Good. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You're good. I want to loop that around a little bit more. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3.
You hate my slips.
3, 2.
Okay.
3, 2. You did it good right there. That's what I need. That and just like a passer.
Okay.
Slip,
Slip,
roll,
slip,
2, 3, 2.
roll. 2, 3, 2.
Yeah, that's all you need to do.
Okay.
Yeah.
Slip, slip.
Boom. That's nice. Boom, boom, boom. That was really good. I want that same one, but speed up the 232.
Okay.
One more time. Favorite. Good job. Okay. Nice. So with your slips, this is the best way to learn a good slip. Is when you're standing there, you're gonna go and take your opposite hand and you're gonna touch your knee, and then you're gonna touch your knee like this. Boom. Boom. So that's kind of like, so we go 1, 2. You're gonna make this. You're gonna make this motion. This shoulder is gonna turn on your slip. So 1, 2, slip, 2. Yeah. So it's literally this motion. This. That's how we look when we slip. So it's really this right here.
Nice.
Yep. Yep. So it's 1, 2, slip, 2. Okay. So we're gonna work that right now. So real slow. 1, 2, slip, 2.
Slip, 2.
Yeah, you don't have to actually touch it, but yeah, it's that same rotation.
Okay.
1, 2, slip, 2. 1, 2, slip, 2.
2.
Don't. So our rolls
Slip.
are like this, right? This is our roll.
I know, I get
And I know,
confused.
it's not just you, don't trip. Everybody mixes their slips and rolls together. So 1, 2, right? And then we're just gonna go like this. That's our slip, and then 2. We're just really rotating our hips. 1, 2, rotate hips.
Rotate
hips. And then back. And you're kind of dropping your level a little too. That's why, like when you touch your knee, you drop
got
your
it.
level a little.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
you don't obviously have to touch your knee when you're doing the slip.
Got it.
But it's that same motion. So 1, 2, slip, 2. So we're going 1, 2, point your shoulder, 2. Okay.
Got it.
Okay, 1, 2, slip, 2, real slow. 1,
2, slip, 2.
Do that exactly what you just did, but don't bend your knees as much.
Okay.
Don't bend your knees as much. More rotation this way. Yes.
Got it.
Yes. Just
Okay.
like that. Like really good right there. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. 1, 2, slip, 2. So 1, 2, slip, 2.
2.
Not bad. Not bad. Slip. 1, 2, slip, 2. 1, 2, slip, 2. Let's bend. Let's bend. Just rotation. Just think about this here. Just think about this. This is the whole motion. This is the whole motion. You just have to drop a little bit, just a little.
Got it.
Literally this much. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So you're essentially doing this, right? But you're look at it. And that's what look.
Got it.
Two slip 2. 2 slip 2. There you go. 2 slip 2. 2 slip 2. Very good. I'm a good coach. 2 slip 2. 2 slip 2. 2 slip 2. 2 slip 2. Very good. 2 slip 2. Just taught her a slip in 4 minutes. 2 slip 2. 2 slip 2. Very good. 2 roll 2.
Okay.
2 roll 2. Roll 2. Make your roll a little less shallow.
Okay.
You don't have to bend. You don't have to. When we're rolling, we're just trying to take a little break. You have to go this much.
Okay.
You see, a lot of people when they roll, they're like, "Whoa, I gotta roll that much." You don't need to. It's like that. Boom. That's a roll. Boom.
Fast.
You don't have to go. Yeah. Who trained you before?
UFC.
Oh, UFC.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. They don't hold mitts over there at club place?
They do.
They do?
Yeah. That's why I don't have them.
That's fun. All right.
Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know down in the comments, what did you guys think? Did I survive, or do you think I still need more practice? Just kidding. Okay, bye.